Hey everyone, and yes, this is another something that I've got for you. I think you're gonna like this. When I say it's simple, it's real simple. And there it is. We're making brown sugar lemonade. Oh, yeah, it's tasty. It's a little bit of sweet, a little bit of tart. So, right here, the recipe calls for 8 scoops on the container. I'm only going to be using 6, and then I'm going to adjust it as I go. If I need to put that 7th or 8th scoop in there, I'm going to do that. But for right now, a perfect balance for me is 6 scoops of the lemonade mix. So, what I did was I melted a cup and a half of brown sugar along with a cup and a half of water. And I just let this dissolve and I just added it to the pitcher there. So, this being a gallon sized pitcher, I'm just going to add the rest of the water to this. Make sure everything is exactly where you want it. Now, I just like a perfect balance of tang and that sweet on my lemonade, poured over ice. And when I tell you this is good, this is good. Of course, you could add more lemonade mix if you want to, or a little bit more of that brown sugar. It's completely up to you. Simple, something cool to have during the summer days. So, yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.